Paradise dolls. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Pristiny and this is my pink paradise. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, which is Pristiny's Pink Paradise. You will find pink girly fashion, beauty, and princess core aesthetic videos. I'll leave all of those links down in the description box, and make sure that you follow me on all of my social medias. And we're just gonna go ahead and get into today's video. I'm excited because this is my very first Temu purchase. I haven't purchased from Temu before, so I did the little test spin the wheel that pops up on their website, and I got some stuff for free. So I have 6 items in here. As you see, it's not open yet. It's literally not open. So we're gonna open this together, and I'm excited because I did get some cute things. I didn't get any clothes yet. I've been looking for clothes that's more like my aesthetic. I haven't found any clothes that's my aesthetic, so we're just gonna keep searching. But I like everything else on the website, like all of their decor and knickknacks and stuff like that. But I haven't found any cute clothes, so I don't know. Maybe I just need to look harder. So let's open it together. Ooh. Okay, I don't know why it's open fresh out the package, but okay. So I know, y'all, this is going right on my vanity. Right on my vanity. This is cute. I didn't realize it had this much purple. Y'all, I'm not a big fan of purple. And I mean, it's not gonna show off my color scheme that much, but it's so pretty. It is this little perfume bottle, or is it a oil? Yeah, it's an oil. I have a lot of these. So this is what it looks like, and the quality is really good. I don't know if y'all hear that. So it is made out of glass in the bottom, and this is the butterfly top and the oil distributor. So it's gonna go right here next to my other one. My other one came from Amazon. Right here. This one is from Amazon, but it's so pretty. I had to put both of them together because I love some pink and gold. Even though it's like way off 2 different shades of pink, I love pink. So we're going to just kind of rearrange stuff and make it fit. There we go. I made it fit. Okay, so this is my vanity. She's a little dusty right now, but we're going to clean her off together. And I have this Bath & Body Works champagne toast candle. Some cute little decor here. I knocked this over with my elbow. It's the Ariana Grande perfume. And here it is. She fits in beautifully. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna do like an official tour, but that's her. Okay, so the next thing that I got, so everything in my package is just like open, but they sent me some free little gnome stickers. Oh, they're so cute. Look at this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I'll find a place for them. So this is open. I don't know if anybody else packages come ripped and open like this, but y'all see me open it together. Like I literally just ripped it open. All my stuff in here is open, but it fell out. I don't know. It was this. It's just like It was different colors. There was a white, black, gold, and like a bronze. I got the white one. I don't know if it needs batteries, but it's a mini little lantern, and I got the white one. Let's see when I pull this out. So it's the little plastic piece that was inside of here. Let's pull that out and turn it on and see if it works. Oh, cute. It's a little lantern. I feel like a Renaissance princess walking through a castle with like my lantern through the dark, walking down like the dark tunnels. So cute. I'm gonna have to put on my crown to fit the aesthetic with it. But this is cute. I like this. I didn't know it was this small. It looks a lot bigger in the picture, but it's cute. I like that it's mini. Gonna find a spot for it, but I'm thinking about getting another table to go right here. Oh yeah, y'all can see it. So this little blank area right here, I want to put another table there. I don't know what's gonna be on it, but I need more space for my pink stuff. So this is the second item. Third item, let's see. I forgot what I got. Yo, oh my God. I've been waiting for this. This is a pink C-port iPhone charger. I'm not sure how long the cord is, but I have my own personal 10-foot charger. You can't see how long it is, but mine is 10 feet. I got it from Amazon, and this one is clearly like probably a 3, maybe a 6 foot, and my block is white, like my wall piece is white, and my charger is pink, but now I got a pink charger with the pink block. I love this. It's so cute. I don't know if y'all can tell if it's pink. I need to compare it to my white one so that y'all can see. Here's the pink one, and here's the white one. Now you can actually tell the difference. This one is literally from Walmart. It's a C-port iPhone charger, and this one is the one I just got from Temu. They are literally like identical. They're the same size, same shape, everything. So I'm happy to have a pink one because I need everything that's pink. Like, I gotta have everything that's pink. So I'm gonna keep this one for backup probably. I don't know if this one is like the fast charging. It should be, because I've seen some C-ports, they don't have like the lightning streak, and it means like it's not one of the super fast charge. It's just a C-port, a regular C-port. They have just the regular C-ports, and then they have the C-ports that are the fast supercharge. Hopefully this one is a fast supercharge, because I really want to use this as my regular charger. But yeah, that's that. Where did I, oh, here's the pink cord so y'all can see. Here's the white, here's the pink, and the pink cord. And I'm gonna show y'all, might as well, my 6-foot charger that I got from Amazon. See how long this thing is? No, I said 6 foot. I mean, this is 10 foot. This is a 10 feet C-port. So it's a C-port and a iPhone. Yeah, you can see it. This is from Amazon. It has nothing to do with this haul, but I just want to show y'all this because I'm using this with the pink one that I got from Temu. So there we go. It fits. It was a little snug. I had to kind of wiggle it, but it fits. It goes inside, and I'ma love it. Like, y'all see a long super pink charger? It's mine. So that was 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. So I have 2 more items to show y'all. Oh, here it is. Ooh, Okay, this is, I think I got a ring. I thought it came in a ring holder. Maybe I got the other one that doesn't come with the ring holder. All right, so is this like one ring or is it two? Oh wow, okay, it's two. So as you can see, it's a little tiara. Can y'all see it? I don't know if it's focusing. It's a tiara ring. This is cute. And then there's this rose gold one. So I'm gonna put these on because these are pretty. Oh my god. Okay, it's a little big. And I'm gonna put them in my jewelry holder. It's big, y'all. Look how cute this purse is. Oh my god. It's pearls, tweed, and bows with glitter, all mixed in one. I love tweed, I love pearls, I love bows, I love glitter. So this purse is everything. Look how cute it is. It looks small. I know it's like hand sized, but it looks really spacious. See, it's a lot bigger than what it appears. And it comes with this chain that you probably can hook on this. Oh yeah. So these two chains right here on the inside is where you would hook the gold chain. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So we're just gonna hook this on. Hopefully I don't break a nail. Okay, first one is on like that. All I had to do was like press it through, see? And then this one, as you can see, it has this little clamp. Oh, there we go. So it's magnet, that's magnet, so that's why it's sticking. But the two chains I've just put on the inside. So we're gonna close this and it goes like this. So you can't even see the chain like hanging out. So I like that. Now I get this clamped. There we go. Yay, look how cute this is, y'all. And I like to wear mine like over instead of like on my shoulder. So this is cute. Look at it one more time. All right, so that's pretty much going to be it for this video. This was my first trial and test with my Temu items, and I will be ordering more things because I am very satisfied with everything that I got. So here's just a runaround of what I got. The charger, free Gnome stickers, this LED lantern, this purse right here, and the last item is this one. Alright, so I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next. Alright, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.